Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make this easy puff stitch cord. So let's get started. To make this easy puff stitch bag handle, I'm going to work with worsted weight yarn and a 6.5mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot. Chain 2, 1, 2. Double crochet in the second stitch from the hook. Yarn around the hook, insert into this stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through. Pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2. And that's going to form a space between these two stitches. Now I'm going to turn my work, and I'm going to slip stitch into that space. And now I'm going to make 2 puff stitches in that space. So I'm going to chain 2, and then I'm going to make the first puff stitch, yarn around the hook, insert into the space, pick up the yarn, and pull it all the way up. I'm going to do that 5 times in total, so I need 4 more. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now you're going to pick up the yarn and pull it through all those loops. Chain 2, 1, 2. Make another puff stitch in that same space. Yarn around the hook, pull the yarn through, and pull it up. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Pick up the yarn, pull it through all those loops, chain 1, and turn the work. Now the next group of puff stitches will be worked in that chain 2 space. Slip stitch into the chain 2. I'm just going to repeat this over and over. Chain 2. Make 1 puff stitch. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Pull the yarn through all those loops. Chain 2, 1, 2. Make another puff stitch in the same space. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Pull through all those loops. Chain 1. Slip stitch into that chain 2 space. And just keep repeating. So chain 2, make a puff stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Pull through all those loops. Chain 2. And make another puff stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Pull through all those loops. Then you turn, slip stitch into that space, and you just continue. And that's how easy it is to make this puff stitch cord. And this is exactly the same, but look how big and thick this is. I did this one with a bulky yarn and a 9mm crochet hook. And both of these were done with the 6.5 and worsted weight yarn. So there you go. There's another easy bag handle or belt or whatever you need to have a cord for. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.